I am on the bottom of page 20. This is the test example. And I'm going to go ahead, because I know the type of skill I'm working with, and set up my point of view mind map. So we have topic, main idea, purpose, what I read, and purpose statement. Topic, main idea, purpose, and there are 4 to choose from. We have inform, explain, persuade, and entertain. What I read, and then the purpose statement, which is also a summary of the passage. Now, again, I know that on a test you can't write all this out. The goal is that you learn to do this in your head, so you don't have to write it out, but you know how to think through the type of reading that it is. Okay, let's take a look here. The FBI released national crime statistics for 2016. The good news is that property crime went down by 1.3%. That is the 14th straight year that property crime has gone down. Now for the bad news. The violent crime rose in 2016 by 4.1%. Other studies also offer disturbing trends. Most crimes are not reported to the police, and most of the crimes that are reported are not solved. Okay, so what I read, first of all, the source is the FBI for 2016. The good news. There was a 1.3% drop in property crime. And not only did it fall, it was for the 14th straight year. That's good. The bad news is that there was a 4.1% increase in violent crime. This is confirmed by other studies, not just this FBI statistical report. It says that most crimes not reported, and of the ones that are reported, most are not solved. Okay, and this is coming from the text. There's the bad. This is a comparison, good and bad. And that was in blue. The purpose, why did the author write this? It's to inform, to tell me about these statements, or these statistics. The purpose statement. The FBI, or let's say the 2016 FBI report, shows that property crime is down, but violent crime has increased. And this is a compound sentence, so I want to put a comma before the word but. Compare and contrast. For main idea, I'm just going to use that same sentence. I'm just going to say, see the purpose statement. There's no need to write it twice. And the topic is good and bad news on crime. Okay. Let's take a look at the question. Which sentences show the author's point of view? Sentence 1, the FBI released crime statistics. In sentence 3, that is the 14th straight year that property crime has gone down. B, sentence 2, the good news is that property crime went down. Sentence 4, now for the bad news. And sentence 5, other studies also offer disturbing trends. That's the one. It's talking about both the good and the bad. Sentences 3 and 6. 3 says that is the 14th straight year that it went down. Most crimes are not reported to the police. And then the last two sentences are talking about the bad crimes. So we want the ones that show good and bad. And that is included in the author's point of view. Okay. I want to go to my resources section. Well, if I can find it. Sorry. Here we go. And let's add this particular mind map to the ones that we already have. It's very close to the one on inferences. And I'm going to call this one To Understand Author's Purpose. So if your question is asking you to understand the author's reason for writing a passage, this is a good way to break that down. One more time. We have a rectangle. We have our topic, our main idea, our purpose, and then these two sections down here. So topic, you notice any type of writing we look at, topic and main idea are so important. The purpose, and you have 4 choices here. You have inform, explain, persuade, or entertain. You take a look at what you read, and then you come up with your purpose statement, which is also a summary. This is why it's so important to know vocabulary, because sometimes those words are used interchangeably. That will help you understand author's purpose.